Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Sedona brake light. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Locate the brake light assembly on the rear of your Sedona, usually integrated into the tail light unit. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To access the bulb, open your Sedona's rear hatch. You'll find retaining screws, typically 2, on the inside edge of the tail light assembly. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might be snug, but avoid excessive force to prevent damage. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now access the bulb sockets. Identify the brake light socket, which is usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly before reinserting the socket into the assembly. Now, carefully reattach the tail light assembly to your Kia Sedona, aligning it properly. Reinsert and tighten the retaining screws you removed earlier. Before closing up, turn on your vehicle and have someone press the brake pedal to confirm the new light is working correctly. This final check ensures your safety on the road. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.